The deployment of the bombers comes as the Chinese People's Liberation Army (PLA) is scheduled to hold naval maneuvers in the waters off the Zhoushan Islands on the 16th to the 17th of August, according to the country's Maritime Safety Administration. US B-2 stealth bombers have arrived at the Naval Support Facility Diego Garcia located in the Indian Ocean after a 29-hour flight, to ensure a free and open Indo-Pacific, Pacific Air Forces announced on Wednesday in a press release. The B-2s were dispatched from the 509th Bomb Wing at Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri earlier this week to support Pacific Air Force's Bomber Task Force missions. "We are excited to return to this important location," puts the Indo in INDOPACOM. The Pacific Air Forces quoted Lieutenant Colonel Christopher Conant, BTF commander, as saying, "This bomber task force is our national defense strategy in action. We are sharpening our lethality while strengthening relationships with key allies, partners, and our sister service teammates." Despite a global pandemic, the airmen of Whiteman Air Force Base and Air Force Global Strike Command stand ready to support INDOPACOM and the Department of Defense in achieving our nation's strategic objectives. The move comes as China intends to hold 2 military drills near Zhoushan, an archipelago some 550 kilometers north of Taiwan, according to China's Maritime Safety Administration. The United States and China have been engaged in a spat over a wide range of issues, including the COVID-19 pandemic, Hong Kong's new security law, and territorial disputes in the South China Sea. Tensions were further heightened after U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar paid a visit to Taiwan, marking the highest-level visit by a U.S. cabinet official to the territory since 1979, when Washington switched its official recognition to Beijing and established formal diplomatic relations with the People's Republic of China.
Can make, and of course the close partnership and friendship between the United States and Taiwan.